Hey, good morning, everybody. We are live. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Take a quick look here at Financial Juice, make sure we know what's going on for the day. Do we have news? Just got to check in and make sure Mr. Mustang knows that we're live over here. Quickly. Hey Ryan, how you doing? Just came to give a like and wish a good session. Nice, thank you. What are you up to today? You gotta head out? Are you working today, Ryan? Yeah, in the field. Gotcha. Building a deck. Nice. Hey, big yawn, big yawn. Let's see here. Where's our midnight open price? 2100 right there. Set the midnight open price. So we do have a couple potential targets to the downside if we decide to roll over here. Buyers looks like they kind of ran out of steam there. Break at the VWAP, targeting midnight open. That might work. 82 points. Stop sort of above the 200 EMA. Or what we could even do is, if we get a bounce, it's a pretty big stop, 120 points, 184 target. Hey Dad, good morning. How are you? Hey Jonathan, morning. Lots of this, hopefully. Yeah, lots more money. Lots of money bags. Thanks for that, Jonathan. Kind of been playing around here at this level. Looks like we're starting to get a bounce here. We got about 5 minutes to the bell. So what is this again? 117 points, so 235 bucks. 235 risk for 180 points, 190. So it's like a 360 take profit for a 230 stop risk here with one micro. Trump accounts launch at 6:30, so I guess that's coming up at the bell. Great, are we gonna have Trump talking right at the start of the open here? What the heck? Not looking forward to that. Hey Angie, good morning. I was just taking a look at the news, and do you know if we have Trump talking right at the open here or live right now? So he's going to be coming to talk right now. Looks like it. That's annoying. Hmm. Hey, good morning. Did you get some sleep last night?
About an hour and a half.
Oh my god. I had a pretty bad sleep too, actually. So, hey, Hawkflies, good morning. Trump's talking. Great.
Fuck me.
Right at the open. Right at the open.
All right, so here's just where you gamble. Flip a coin, go long, go short, do something, put in a stop loss, and make $1 million. Ryan does honest work.
Yeah, Ryan had to take off. He's heading to build a deck today. So,
you know what? I wish I could find somebody who could build a deck. Looking at the hack job they did on this joint.
yeah.
I can give a monkey a chainsaw and they do a better damn job. I have a feeling I'm going to be doing a lot of construction myself.
Yeah, no doubt.
Actually, I did find a builder down here that has built some pretty incredible homes. It's Viking Builders. He's actually from Long Island.
Oh.
So they build high-end homes in places like the Hamptons and the fancy schmancy parts of Connecticut and Jersey and New York. And the company there was started by his father. It's called Dutchman Construction. And, multi-million-dollar homes. Well, his son got sick of living in New York, came down to Costa Rica, started Viking Construction, and built some pretty badass places.
YM's just ripping right now.
Of course it is.
I kind of wanted to try a short to the midnight open price, but
Really?
we're looking pretty bullish at the moment here. Yeah, looking too bullish at the moment though.
Yeah, I don't think I'd be taking a short right now.
No, we held the VWAP nicely, popping up here.
Bookmap is going nuts right now on MNQ.
Yeah.
Generally, I don't like taking a trade this early in the New York session.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm kind of liking NQ longs right now.
We got a couple bearish fair value gaps from pre-market, but if those things were get inverted, man.
I'm hitting my break even plus 10. Oh, sorry. I entered a micro at 875.
I'm in at 863.
Of course, you always get the better entry than me.
Don't pull back here, though. Come on.
Ah, it took me out. Got 10 points out of that. Oh, wait, no. Got 20 points out of that.
I'm just trying to be patient here for slightly higher target. I got a TP at 925. Come on. A little more pop. Come on. Don't do it.
Get up there for Dave. Come on, do it. Go.
I took it.
Took your profits?
Yeah. Should have waited. Damn, now I need $6 to make that 150 Lucid daily flex amount.
Did you say $6?
Yeah.
All right.
$5.50 to make the 150 target.
Oh, is this going to go through this first deviation band and keep on going?
Just might, too. Pulling back pretty late. Ooh.
Yeah, it just came back to the point of the working point of control. Still liking longs.
All right. I took a little scalp there just to get me over the $150 daily target thingy. Move on to another account.
So I want to see something here.
Just found the channel by my recommendations. Hey, Rose.
Very good.
How you doing? Been trading for a couple of years. I keep lost over. Oh, you lost over 20K? Oof. Yeah, it's hard. It's definitely not.
I mean, thing
to do.
That is not uncommon. In fact, I think usually people lose money for about their first 5 years of trading. So are you trading capital? Are you trading prop firms? Where in the world are you from? That's another question. See if you can actually trade a prop firm where you're living. We might be able to point you in the right direction and help you out a little bit.
And good morning, Skeletor.
Skeletor's back in town. Holy shit. Oh, we erased all of the gains we made on NQ. I'm glad I had my break even set there when I took that long. We're now below overnight VWAP, and so we do have the gap down to Friday's close, 29,544. So I don't know what the chances of that gap getting filled. It's only a few hundred points, but
Yeah, and we got the point of control down there. We have a 1 hour unmitigated bullish fair value gap below, so lots of targets. Midnight open still below.
we also have the previous day's value area high at 524. Value area lows at 349. Oh, sorry, 352. It's off by a couple bucks. But if you look at that, we do have a VWAP sitting at the 740 level with a -1 standard deviation at 455. Yeah, I'm gonna start looking at shorts here. Depends on if because this is coming back up a little bit towards VWAP, or towards the New York VWAP. If it rejects off this, I'm gonna start looking for shorts with a target of filling that gap down to the close in New York on Friday. If not, then, but of course, using proper risk management and all the adult tools that we have at our disposal. Dave, did you hear me say that I got somebody scamming, impersonating you in the Discord now?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just got a friend request from Dave Butcher _2998.
Okay. Good luck with that, Mr. Scammer.
I was trading prep crypto futures for last time. Now I just cut off this because of new regional rules. I'm in Poland currently.
Oh, Poland.
So,
Welcome.
So what I'm gonna say about that is, futures trading is so much easier. That being said, I don't know what the regional rules are for Poland, but if you can trade a prop firm account, you're gonna have a better time of it, simply because it cuts your losses down. If you get say a 50K Apex account right now with an end of day trailing drawdown, an end of day drawdown and a I believe it's $2,000 worth of capital to trade with. That's your total drawdown. And no activation fee. I want to say it's $80. $80 for $2,000 in trading capital. As long as you pass that evaluation, you can start taking $1,000 payouts every 8 days for 3 consecutive payouts, and then the amount that you can trade that you can take out goes up after that. Your 6th and final payout, there is no cap to that on Apex. So your 6th payout, if you make $100,000, you can take out $100,000. That being said, most people don't make it to 6 payouts on any prop firm, and that is what they're banking on. So if you act like an adult and trade small,
Base hits.
Base hits only, and you will excuse me, I'm sorry, you will have a much better chance of doing it.
So I did take another long there from, what was it? Entered at VWAP there 827. I got out at 905.
Very nice.
Up 100. in a different Lucid Flex account, so won't be trading those two anymore. On to another account. Base hits is my middle name. That's where it's at for me. Tons of volume balls on the book map here.
Got 2 minutes until the opening range is set. All right, my long off of VWAP is working out. I just added one more micro to it. I think I'm up like maybe 50 bucks. Nice. Got a break even +2 in. Now break even +5. Oh.
How quickly price can change in this morning chop, hey?
And how?
Poland.
I got him.
So what can be traded in Poland here?
I hope Poland allows futures trading and on the CME. That would be, or the CME allows Polish citizens to trade. Holy shit. All right, so I'm locking in 20 points on this one.
Yeah, so it looks like a lot of prop firms do allow trading there. So
perfect.
Apex, Take Profit, Trade by Top Step, My Funded Futures, Bullinox, Lucid Funded Futures.
So if you'd like, get a hold of me or Dave and we can point you in the right direction. If you're not trading, I'm honestly, I don't know what you do, what your experience with prop firms is, but if you need any help with it, just get a hold of one of us and we'll point you in the right direction. So I just locked in 50 points on this NQ long.
Nice.
My stop loss is at 929.50. My entry average, my average entry is at 879.40. So
very nice.
This might end up being my final trade of the day.
Roasty, hit the Discord link there. It's an easy way to get a hold of us also. There's a link to Discord.
All right. So I got stopped out on that one.
Oh, what a pullback there.
Yep. I'm good with that. These 9 accounts that I'm trading now, let's see what the deal is here. All right, cool.
Yeah, this price is definitely volatile this morning, guys. Make sure you're locking in some profits.
Be careful. Use those, pull those. I mean, this is not financial advice, but pull those stop losses into profit when you can. Dave, on these 9 accounts for this morning, I am up 390. Nice. 390 even. 390.50. 389.50. So yeah, right around 390 on all of them. Except for my Tradeifys, which I'm only up 350.
Okay.
Oh,
Consistency
all
or
right.
something, or what?
Let me look at my strategy here. Yeah, not sure. I do not know.
Donuts.
Oh, what I would give for a good donut. Good being a key word.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about Dunkin' Nuts or Tim Hortons either.
I banned myself from going to Tim Hortons. Anyways, so they're no longer a Canadian company.
What are you, one of those buy only Canadian types?
No, just they just don't make the same quality and stuff they used to, and they're not hiring Canadian citizens. They're lobbying the government for temporary foreign workers rather than giving it to the youth of Canada. And
That's stupid.
and then they came out and said that they were going to, and they didn't make any changes at all. So they're still doing it. So
Yeah, fuck Tim Hortons on.
So I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to support you guys. I'm waiting for Dunkin' Donuts to get busy again. They're going to open like hundreds of chains or something, supposedly in Canada. So,
Well, I know the issue in the States is young people trying to get jobs right now. It's not easy.
that's the same thing in Canada, yeah. Krispy Kremes were my favorites. When they changed their cooking oil, they suck now. Oh, gotcha.
Oh, Krispy Kremes back when I was a kid was, yeah, that was, but that was 4 decades ago, so I don't know if they just got shitty or if my taste just got better. All right, we are above the second deviation band on the New York session. See how this plays out, and if we go into a price discovery level. So how'd you end up doing last night?
Yeah, good. I just mostly took the one trade there. I was up. Well, I took 3 trades actually. So I made 300 one trade, and then I lost 500 on the next, and then I made 1,600 total at the end. So
Up 1,600 per account.
only in one account. I was only trading one account yesterday. So
That's a stellar day.
yeah. Angia, you're done. Nice job on the longs, Angia.
From London Open? Wow.
Really? Damn.
I think I'm going to accept the friend request here from your impersonator.
Oh yeah.
See what he's trying.
Give him a little chat.
Just see what he's trying to get out of me.
Like, yeah. Oh, you told me you were going to send me a friend invite.
Yeah. That's what happened. All right, so I'm gonna go grab some coffee. I'm not getting into another trade here for a little bit. So
Sounds good.
in fact, I might cut out early today.
Yeah. You need
Sorry.
some rest. Been up
Need some
all night,
rest.
so.
And out of the 29 accounts that I've been trading since yesterday, it's I'm I'm very green for the day, so
Yeah.
I don't want to be greedy, and I also don't want to do anything stupid.
Sounds good.
Me being stupid is the more likely.
Especially with so much lack of sleep, we might make a mistake.
Yeah.
Hey, Zexy, good morning. Careful news trading rules. We have news coming up.
Yeah, I checked all the prop firms this morning, and I don't have any restrictions on TPT, Top One. None of those have any restrictions on them right now. So
for today, yeah. Red folder news. I don't see it. Oh, we do have PMI final. Oh, that passed already though, right?
Yeah, that already happened.
Angie is always looking out for everybody.
She's good at that. She's like a little mama. She's a mama bird.
Yeah. I'm doing good, Zexy. Thanks. How are you? And Mustang is also doing good. We're all pretty green so far. So
seems like everybody's green here today. I'm about to go grab some more coffee. Trying to act like an adult, not do anything dumb. Trying to set
wild or crazy.
Yeah, trying to set a good example for my daughter Angia. All right, VWAP just flattened out.
So we ended up finding some resistance up at the 30K. Wonder if they're going to go attempt that again or not. Looks like some more orders came on, 145 contracts up there. But it's a pretty hard level for us to get through. So if we get through that, we're definitely probably going to get some more extension on the bullish side tonight or today.
I'd be looking at 202 for a level and 320 for a longer time frame.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's going to happen on this candle, but it is NQ, so you never know.
Yeah.
Seeing weirder shit.
NQ likes to just go sometimes.
It's actually saying on news, I'm seeing a down move. So if you look at the time that he said that, that's when the VWAP flattened out on the 5.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there was a bit of a volume spike in the sell orders.
Mm-hmm.
But there's still 109 of them up at 30,010 right now, so.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, some came on 124 at 30,000 also, right? So.
Now this, I like to see. I am so green that I can't explain how green I am today.
Nice.
I love hearing that. Unless you're referring to having the flu, in which case I'm very sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, Lone Wolf. All right, that's $50. You're good.
Yeah, you got to pay Zexy for that for Bookmap.
So hopefully, Lone Wolf, you picked up one of those cheapo prop firm accounts or a paper account to start trading a new asset. PMI 4 minutes.
-50, I guess that's what I get for trying to trade NQ rather than silver. Yeah.
That's what I was saying. If you're starting a new asset, get a cheapo prop firm account or a paper account. That's what I did when I started trading NQ, because I only traded ES for a while.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I started trading NQ, I just bought one 50K, or no, I got a 100K account because I wanted a little more drawdown, and I blew that account like I owed it money.
You're trading a 25K Lucid Flex. Nice.
I like those flex accounts.
Got the VWAP there.
All right, I'll be back.
One minute to PMI. I think PMI already passed, didn't it? Financial juice showed, oh, it is. Yeah, sorry, 15 seconds. You're right. USMC PMI. They don't allow to herd sheep if it's over 80 Fahrenheit. Oh, okay. Today, tomorrow is going to be too hot to herd sheep. Thinking of going Wednesday to see how Panda does. Looks like the coolest day of the week. Very cool. That's good to know. I mean, I guess it makes sense. They don't want your dog to like have a heart attack mid event, or when they're, because obviously you'd be herding, and it's also hard on the sheep, I guess, too, right? They don't want the sheep to overheat, right? Could be either or both, right? I guess maybe the sheep would be even hotter. Where are you right now? Is it near your hometown? Yeah, hard on the sheep. What's 54%? Sexy. What did I see? What did I miss? Oh, 54% was the PMI. It's about 4 hours away. Gotcha. So you got to drive a minute to get there. You're over in the middle of the state. Gotcha. Previous was 54.5. Actual is 54. So we're still holding the VWAP, but we're not looking that bullish. You know what I mean? Like we're above the VWAP. We're creating a bunch of wicks on the bottom side, but like we're not really getting any momentum here. So kind of not really sure what we're going to do at this point, guys. This could be sort of building up to a move lower, but you know, not financial advice or anything, but no movement is in news. I thought I should full port my TPT account. Well, you gotta wait. You can't full port news, can you, on TPT?
Nope. But TPT right now doesn't have any restrictions for today. This is
really?
not red folder news. Yeah, no.
So the PMI USM PMI it shows a red dot on trade on financial juice.
All right, I'm gonna just double check my TPT calendar here,
Yeah,
just to make sure.
I was just gonna see if I got any emails from them, and I don't see any emails.
All right, let's see calendar. Today is the 6th. So. We have no restrictions.
Okay. Cool.
We do for Tuesday the 14th CPI. And then the 29th FOMC. We've got a restriction on that, but those are the only two remaining restrictions on TPT accounts for this month.
Okay, nice. Lone Wolf, if you drive south on Highway 97 from Penticton, you drive right through my town. Nice. I think I went to a place called Oroville. It's across the border, right near Oliver, which is on the Canadian side. And you head south, and we had a big party down there many years ago, where a bunch of our friends got together and rented a house. And then yeah.
So Dave,
pretty cool.
I mean, I know I'm old and my hearing isn't that great, but did I just hear that you and your buddies rented a house and had a party in Oroville?
Yeah. Well, it's not Oroville, but it's
I'm sorry, I couldn't resist.
Oroville? Is that what
Oroville?
you said?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Well, there was girls there too, don't worry. It was all
yeah, you and your buddies renting a house in Oroville. I see how it is.
Yeah.
Get off my stream.
Oroville.
Nah, I'm not judging. You do whatever makes you happy, Hoss. Enjoy. Just make sure you wear your safety goggles.
I ended up taking a trade actually before bed last night, and it was up pretty nicely and ended up turning around and taking me out. It was like after London opened. I think I only made about $40 or something in the end on that trade. I was like, man, I was almost at the 150 point where that was kind of the thing, is I was actually trying to trade the P&L because I was like, come on, just a couple more ticks. I'm going to take it. And like,
yeah,
it didn't get to 150. You know what I mean?
Unfortunately, I've done that far too many times, trading the P&L instead of the chart.
So
That's why on the stream, I have it set up to where everyone can actually see the P&L on my chart, but the one that I look at doesn't have the P&L on it.
Oh, nice.
So like right now, my long is in 1 micro at 966.
Nice, yeah.
Off that standard 1 deviation bounce. But I don't know how much I'm up, and I'm afraid to look at the chart with the P&L on it, because I'll start trading the P&L rather than the chart. I do have 5 points locked in though, so there is that.
Yeah, Zexy, the book map is, I just have the global package. There's a global plus, which gives you more options for add-ons, and then you got to get the data. So depending if you trade other indices other than just like NQ and ES, I would recommend probably the data bundle that you can get, and that way you can have, you know, NQ, ES, YM, and the metals or the commodities. So
yeah, and if you do the data bundle, you it comes out cheaper. I did the data bundle because the two that I really wanted, just for those individually, they would have cost a lot more than just doing the bundle. So all right, locked in 10 points on this long. I should be up about, oh, is this going to take me out? Should be up about 40 bucks, so.
damn it, it feels interesting. What's the name of the book map called? It's there, I just linked you the it's literally called book map. And there's the link there. It's bookmap.com.
All right, I got taken out on that.
It's literally called book map, the same name that you keep calling it. So what's the name of the book map, you know? Back into the 30Ks here. One minute big volume spike, hey? Wayne's in the house. Morning, Wayne.
Good morning, Wayne.
Yeah, CBD's climbing. Price is climbing.
We did have a rejection of that standard 2 deviation.
Yeah.
But price looks like it still wants to go up. All the orders on Bookmap are up above the current price. Just got in my long at 30,006.
Oh wow. Zexy said he was looking at a different book map and it's like $950 without add-ons. Yeah, this one's kind of like, it's like over $100 a month anyways. Maybe it's like 140 a month, something. I don't know what's going on with my book map here. It's completely frozen.
Is there something you need to see? I got mine open.
No, I'm flat. Oh, there we go. It's back. It is back. It just lagged out for some reason. Yeah, pumping here. We got orders above 30,025, 30, 30,030, 30,040, 30,050. Lots of stacked below.
Yeah, I got 140 orders up at 30.50.
50% off right now, Zexy? Yeah, there might be a deal on right now, sort of 4th of July deal.
Oh, the book map does have a sale going on right now.
Yeah, that's true. I was looking at it the other day.
I got an email from them asking if I wanted to take advantage of the sale and upgrade my account. Like, no, I can't upgrade my account.
Yeah, it's a July 4th sale. Actually, there's a button on the book map that shows a little blue button that says July 4th sale.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Not on mine. Weird.
Huh. Yeah, I had trouble waking up this morning. Ralph was woke me up at about an hour after I fell asleep. I'm like, oh.
Just you walk up and start licking your face.
No, he was just making noise on the couch. All right, boys, got to go to work. I'm ending the stream green on my account later. Okay, Skeletor, good job. Good job.
Nice work, Skeletor.
Love to hear it. Hey, we got 25 people watching right now. 19 people in YouTube and 6 people in X.
All right, I'm out.
Still a lot of contracts above, eh? Jeez.
Yeah, I just closed out my long at that standard 2 deviation.
Mm-hmm.
I may get into another one in a bit, but I want a pullback to either the +1 standard or VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Or a breakthrough of this the standard 2 and go into price discovery level. Getting more orders piled on at that 30,050 level. We got 168 sitting there right now. Here comes that pullback I was talking about.
Looks like for some reason, I thought I turned my deviation bands on, but it was actually an older one that was on. I was like, I see the colors, but I don't see the lines. There we go. We are not leaving much for fair value gaps right now. We have one that we're trying to leave below this candle that's down towards 30K, but and we have one below on the 3-minute down at 29,970. Looks like they're going for those orders at 50. Trying to. Got 160 contracts that came on at 30,100. Nick, did you see the 4th of July march all over Washington, D.C., waving the Confederation flag, chanting "Reclaim America"?
Wow, that's special. A bunch of white nationalist, pardon my French, but fuckwits.
FN Trades, this seems like a nice double dip, no? Keep the put premium while earning interest on the cash collateral? Zexy said, I truly appreciate the knowledge, guidance, and opportunities you've provided. Much respect to both of you for helping traders like me grow every day. Hey, thanks for that. And you're very welcome. Happy to have a positive influence if we have.
We do try to help. That being said, this is not financial advice, and we are just a couple of old guys trying to make some money on the interwebs right now.
Yeah.
All right, I just entered another long here. Like I said, I do have an ongoing abusive relationship with NQ, so we just got a bunch of orders came up on the book underneath us. 29,980, 990. And I'm hitting my break even +2 here. Not really loving this long right now just because of what's showing up on the book map. But I also don't want to close it quite yet. So I just hit the break even +2 points. That'll cover costs and commissions. I got my costs and commissions plus a couple bucks. Stop me out.
There you go. We might be getting a deeper pullback here.
Wouldn't be a horrible thing. I want a better price on another long.
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
What a little bounce there. Thank you, Mr. Mustang, and Dave. As a 20-year-old trader, being part of this journey has been amazing. I've learned so much, and trading has completely changed the way I look at my future. Nice. Yeah. I mean, you're at a great age to learn. So
yeah, right.
I wish I could go back and have this, this kind of situation in my 20s.
It is a skill that will guarantee, well, not guarantee, but it is a skill that you can carry forward with you your entire life. And honestly, I mean, I'm kind of proof of it. You can do it from anywhere. If you like to travel, get yourself a laptop and you can do it.
Mm-hmm. So, did you hear FN's trades question earlier? He said he's just thinking out loud. So he said, seems like a nice double dip, keeping the put premium while earning interest on cash collateral. Does that mean because we're not really getting much momentum on the price?
He's probably doing
Okay, sorry, I missed. There's another question before that. So it says, morning, y'all. I have an options question. I sold a put in an ETF. I'm okay with buying the shares if assigned, and Robinhood lets me earn interest even on my options collateral.
So basically, what he did, I don't know if you're doing a zero DTE, probably not if you're collecting interest on it. Most likely, he's trading a 30-day contract with a cash secured put. As long as you're good with the price that you're going to get put at, or could possibly get put at, it's brilliant. Collect your premium, collect your interest. If it doesn't go to the price that you put in, then you get to keep your premium and your interest. If it does go to the price that you put in, then you bought that stock at a price that you thought was a fair value. So
It's a great way to buy shares.
that's the only way I buy stocks now.
Broken trend line. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. If you ain't ready, NQ dirty. E is clean. The setup always looks obvious. After the screen. One more trade. One more lesson. One more day. Face hits. Not glory. Just another chapter in the story. We're walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines. Every stop loss turned to wisdom over time. Funded account survives
All right, my limit order got picked up at 30,019.
broken trend lines.
Had to get the coffee pot going.
A late starter with that coffee.
Yeah, I've been trying to delay in the mornings a bit.
So one thing about doing the pre-market stream is when I get up, the coffee pot goes on immediately.
Yeah.
Another lesson.
Not drinking it till about a half an hour later, but you know.
Lone Wolf, if you're not loving NQ, you should definitely stick with your silver. Seems like you've been doing really good on it.
Yeah, there's no need to be jumping around from one ticker to the other, especially if you're doing well with silver. I'm shit at trading silver, so I don't.
Yeah. So whatever your strategy you've been using on silver seems to be working. One of the best feelings is knowing I don't have to work under a CEO, founder, or boss. I can wake up, grab a coffee, open my charts, and do what I love. Sexy? Nice. Yeah. Jerry said, I wish I was 20 and learning to trade. Yeah.
All right. I'm 50 and learning to trade. So Lone Wolf says, silver's just not going anywhere this morning. So take the morning off.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. So don't trade. I was going to say, Nick's going to tell you not to trade then.
Yeah, I mean, cash is a position. You don't need to be in a trade every session, every day. Hell, you don't even need to be in a trade every week. Unless you're on some prop firm accounts, then you need to take one trade every 5 trading days or 10 trading days for some of them. But yeah, don't. take the day off. Go do something fun. Enjoy your life. The screen is not, shouldn't be controlling you. If you're feeling like you need to be in the trade, that's when you shouldn't be in the trade.
And like Chris would say, better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one.
Absolutely. Do you know how many good trades I miss in a month? Hundreds.
That's a bit of an inside joke too, because he actually typed that in in the chat, and then that ended up getting into one of the songs. So it's like one of the songs where he's like saying that part. It's like, but it's so true. It's so true.
The words of wisdom from who said that?
Chris G6F in the chat.
Words of wisdom from Chris.
Yeah.
I never have any words of wisdom. I always say dumb shit, like never trust a bald barber.
So I think FN Trades, both Nick and I, when we started trading with ASFX, they are totally focused on ES. So I think that's we both started on ES, which is kind of the better contract to start with, because NQ is pretty volatile. And then eventually we just kind of started forming a really toxic relationship with NQ, and just sort of like broke up with ES for the most days. Some days we'll go hang out with ES, but
depends on the price action, depends on the volume. But even the ASFX guys are trading NQ more now. Evan has been trading NQ pretty consistently.
Evan likes NQ, yeah. Initial balance just set, everybody. So it looks like value area high level here is also the initial balance high.
Yeah, Evan was my coach for the beginning of my futures experiment.
I just noticed that they have the top 1 futures CEO on ASFX. I'm like, oh, there's got to be a form, because usually when he's on there, they're giving away like 10 accounts or something.
Yeah. What's his name? Clay?
Clay?
Is that right?
Yeah. I don't see a form yet, though.
What if it's part of your trade plan to place one specific trade a day?
Evan's birthday. Evan's birthday. Should probably shoot him a message. 30,050, 254 contracts there. FN Trades, what's the longest period of drawdown break even you guys have been in? A month of many losses? A week? Longest period after becoming profitable? Might be a better question for Nick.
Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, no worries.
Get right over there.
Zexi's, my mindset has never been about making money. It's learning to trade because I want to change my family's future and create better life for my entire bloodline. Yeah, nice. I love it.
Well, this period of drawdown, break even you guys have been in about 9 months. Man, who talks to grain traders? Come on, nobody trades grain. Longest period after becoming profitable? Yeah, about 9 months.
Don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market but you can keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels. Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts blowing. Let's go. Only YOLO. Only YOLO. Jomo. Joy, I'm missing out. While the weak hands panic, we let the winners ride.
The opposite of NASDAQ volatility is bonds. Yeah. Because they don't move at all, basically. It's like stays flat.
Pretty stable.
Coming out.
Just ordered a projector this week. Going to love to see if I can rock the chart on it. Oh, nice. That sounds interesting. Have a huge chart on your wall, Hazar?
That would be fun.
Management every day. 2 NQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Almost one's too short. The trend that fences, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent.
Thanks, Angia. She's putting out our schedule.
Nice.
Did she say you're done for the day already, Angia? I think. Pretty common. She gets her trade in from overnight and then calls it a day. Don't mess around with this New York session. And then she breaks her rules and makes more money. Slow and steady. Two trades today. I'm good. No greedy. Nice. Love it. I only go crazy when nobody's watching me.
That sounds dangerous, actually. You don't have anybody to keep you in check. I do like the no greedy. I'm good. No greedy. Yeah. I think I might be following Angia and
Yeah.
calling it quits.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, late night futures.
So looks like we took those orders at 30,050 and then kind of been pulling back since then. We still have orders up there at 30,100 and looks like some were at 30,062.50. That looks like they've lessened it a little bit, but there's still 111 contracts there. So are we starting the pullback here, or are we going to hold this level is kind of the current question I'm wondering.
Let's see what it does at 30,007. If it comes back down to that, or if it just starts going back up again.
Not financial advice from Jerry.
What's Jerry on about now?
Rules
Talking
only
more
exist
smack.
to be broken.
So some are meant to be bent, some are meant to be broken. Serious question that sounds weird, but have you guys heard of retard maxing for trade? Basically accepting risk and taking action without knowing what you're doing. No.
That's a new one.
Maxing for trade. Accepting risk and taking action without knowing what you're doing. That is not going to shrink your learning curve. That is going to enforce bad habits. If you're taking trades, what's that?
I said, yeah, that's what it sounds like to me.
Yeah, you're not going to learn jack or shit from that. You are going to reinforce bad habits. You are going to start full porting prop accounts and doing. Yeah, no, absolutely not. Not financial advice. You do whatever you want to, but if you're sitting next to me, I would actually just give you the back of my hand for it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're almost 1,700 subs. I didn't look at. We started with 667 yesterday, so I don't know what we got to. 696, nice. So we got about 19, 20 subs yesterday, which was pretty good because it was a bit of a slower Sunday compared to our typical Sundays. It was a slower starting one, not really slower overall, but.
Yeah, buddy, I think I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
Between last night and today, I don't need to be doing this shit anymore.
Yeah, no doubt.
So trading the hawk flies. Trading based on clavicular methods. Clavicular? I prefer the sternocleidomastoid method.
It's a much better technical name for the trade strategy.
Yeah, the sternocleidomastoid, that's my favorite trading strategy.
Is that
So
like a
for anyone,
straddle?
is that what?
Is that like a straddle? Like when you're straddling options
There
or
you go.
something?
So for those who don't know, sternocleidomastoid goes from the occiput down the side of your neck and attaches to the mastoid process and the sternum and clavicle. It's the muscle that pulls your head forward.
Mm-hmm.
It's also the one that really tightens up when you're stressed and in a shitty trade.
Gotcha.
Yeah, FN trades. Stop looking up weird shit on YouTube, or at least put on your bullshit filter. I can tell you right now, if I saw anything that said retard maxing on it, I just no. I'm sorry, I'm not interested. Clavicular is a guy who popularized looks maxing. He's a weird bad guy on the socials.
Interesting.
Looks maxing? I know not of what you speak there, Hawk.
It just means like people are always trying to look the best.
Cool. I'm trying to make money.
I did actually. I did take a long there. I'm up 285 in my other account now. This Lucid Pro Flex or Lucid Pro account. I bought. I went long on the +1 deviation band, and then we were kind of finding a little bit of support, so I actually added to it at 30,000, and yeah, just closed the trade basically at the level we're at right now, so 30,042. So I got about 40 points out of that trade. Cash maxing, yeah. You took a small scalp at the bottom, got 200. Yeah, it sounds like we took the same trade there, Sai. That's the muscle I injured watching the Mexico play yesterday. I haven't seen those highlights yet. I definitely got to go check that out.
Don't hurt yourself watching a game. Definitely don't hurt yourself trading.
Pounding those buy and sell buttons.
Yeah, like this.
Hotkeys, man. Hotkeys.
Hotkeys, you're just doing push-ups and hitting the key with your nose.
Yeah, I would call this futures trading cash maxing. Yeah. Apex is now 90% off. But I only use Tradeify. And yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I mentioned that on the during the pre-market stream.
Mm-hmm.
Apex has got a 90% off sale. There was a couple other ones here. Hold on. So Lucid, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, Top One, Apex, Funded Next Futures, Funded Futures Family, Trade Day has got a 50% off. Take Profits 40% off. And Goat Futures. Haven't traded that one.
Goat. I saw a prop firm that you can trade options with recently. I can't remember the name. Something like Legendary or something, or hmm. I just feel like I just gotta, just trading futures is more than enough. So having trouble getting over the IB. Just as I say that, we just popped it, but you guys do have a sense of fearlessness, though, risking simulated or real money to maximize profit, taking trades, accepting risk, and learning quick from losses. I think over time, you sort of have to desensitize yourself from all the emotions. And if you are feeling fear and stuff, you're probably in with too much size. So I think that's a big part of it. Is
that is exactly what I was going to say.
We're just controlling our size. So that's that's probably why we're like, oh well, if this is a loss, like it's not going to be the end of the world because it's $100, like whatever it is. So
I think that's where I'm going to end this. Is just that, just on this note, if you are in a trade and you're actually worried about the trade. Now, all trades will make you a little bit anxious. You end up with that ass puckering feeling. It happens when you watch your trade go against you a bit. But if you're worried that you're going to blow an account, if you're worried that you're going to lose 25% of a cash account or something like that, then you are way oversized. You should never get into a trade that you can't afford to lose, and you should manage it accordingly. That's where your stop losses come in. Your stop losses are insurance, so that way you're not blowing an account or just losing a lot of real live cash.
Yeah, the real money you put into it.
Yeah, and if you think about, like FN Trades was saying earlier, about people who part of their strategy being to just oversize and pass an account really quickly. And if that's in your strategy, that's great. But you still shouldn't be worried about losing that $90 per account or whatever it is you're spending on the account.
Yeah.
And make sure you use code MTB.
Butcher.
Oh, it changed.
Yes.
Yeah. Use code Butcher. Yeah, Lucid's a great company.
Yeah, Lucid's great.
So those GOAT futures accounts, for an instant funded 50K account, they are $554 per account.
All right.
$360.10 after you use code match.
Well,
and you can buy them in bundles and save even more. I think. So yeah, if you buy them in a bundle of 3, comes out to $1,015.48. That's with the 6% bundle discount and the 35 match prop firm match code.
Discount. Gotcha.
I'm not spending $1,000 on some instant funded accounts right now. That would be ridiculous.
Hmm.
All right. Well, Dave,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go try and get some sleep.
Sounds good.
Thanks everybody for joining us today. Wrong Trade Jim. I love that name. Wrong Trade Jim. Wow. Yeah, I love it.
Dope. Wrong trade.
All right. I'll see you guys later.
Thanks, Nick. Have a great day.
You do the
To
same.
see you on the evening stream last night. It was nice to change it up. That's I think you're the first guest I've ever had live on stream. So
I don't think I count. I don't think I count as a guest.
oh yeah, you do.
Call up Zach or Alex or
I think it's
Abby
just
or
too late for those guys, you know? They got to be up early. I think they want to be sleeping.
yeah. Oh, you know what? Call up Rebecca. She's in Switzerland. Or no, now she's in Italy, but she's moving to Switzerland. Perfect. I don't know if she's still streaming with Tradeify, but
Oh, really?
yeah. Do you?
I don't really know her that well, but she did join the Discord, and I know that she was in Vancouver, right? Area, so
Yeah, she was in Vancouver. I'll send her a message, see if she wants to come on with you on Sunday evening.
cool.
All right. I'll see you later.
Okay, thanks, Nick. See ya. I know Artard maxing sounds like an idiot thing to say, but I interpret it as taking a reasonable size trade, following your trade plan, knowing you can lose money, just don't overthink. Oh, I see what you mean. Just kind of like, just letting the trade play out. Okay, well, this could possibly work. Let's just try it, right? I mean, it's not a bad idea to just let your trades play out anyways, so that's not a bad habit to get to. That should happen more often. You two together is always great. Good chemistry. Yeah, for sure. He's you know, it's just when he's up 4:30 for market open, usually he's sleeping by the time we're starting the stream, you know. Yeah, my favorite prop firm is definitely Lucid. Just takes away a lot of the stress from trading it, right? With having the what's it called, the timelines taken off of it. So see about switching into a different account here. I'm in with 4 micros here in the long, guys. Let's see, what am I going to target here on this guy? Probably IB high for takeoff, like couple anyways. 3, that would be sort of, let's go with 35. And then we'll leave 1 runner. Don't stall out here, guys. Don't stall out here. Let's go. Come on. We're stalling out pretty heavy here. I might end up just closing this trade. See if we can't get a little pop. Can't seem to get through the 30s. Come on. Yeah, I'm closing it here, guys. I closed that trade. I'm happy with the little 200 winner there. 198. If it decides to go on without me, so be it. I like this little area here. We've been finding support multiple times. That's kind of my idea on the entry, right down into the 30,000 area. There have been many days I draw out a trade and ends up working but never entered. I was overthinking it and missed out. Yeah, I mean, you definitely got to put risk on the table, and sometimes when we're, overthinking can be a huge problem in trading, right? It's kind of like, if you like the idea, you got to maybe just run it through your head, like rate the trade in your head, and if it's like a B or an A trade, then you should probably be taking it, right? If you think it's more like a C trade, then maybe it's, not worth it to take it. And sometimes the C trades are still going to work. So, maybe if you put, like, say if you have 3 confluences that are lining up on the trade, maybe you're going to call that an A trade. Maybe 4 confluences would be like an A plus trade, and then 2 confluences is going to be like a B trade. So try to spend a little time thinking about that part, and that can kind of like help you grade your trades, and then it'll give you a little more confidence as a way that you can get into the trade, right? Trading is like either you overthink or you don't think. Right? Yeah, I'm glad I got out of that trade there. Not to say this thing isn't going to go higher still, but just didn't really want to take the risk there. Look at that, all the way back into this 30K area. So it was resistance for so long, and that's why I've been confident on trying to take longs here on these. So mostly all my trades today have been buying this 30,000 level. We are pushing up here, so had another opportunity for an entry there, but lots of support in that level. Now, I don't have a fair value gap or anything, but I just see all these wicks and these equal lows. So, and it lines up with 30,000. That's why I drew this box here. There's no like fair value gap or anything there. It just seems like a good area to target for longs, right? ES is, oh yeah, wow. Yes, you're right. ES is looking bullish. We're making new highs, right? Ooh, somebody used my discount code. Is it today? Either last night or today after midnight. Thank you for whoever did that. Yeah, Angie, I was surprised that we didn't see you in the stream yesterday. And then when you won, I was like, oh no, Angie, where is she? We tried to wait, but I just assumed like you were busy or away from the chart, because normally you're there and you're talking with us the whole time. So, and then Puran won freaking last Sunday, and then he won this Sunday, so he wasn't eligible for winning again, and then he won again the next race. So he literally won three races, like once last Sunday and 2 races this Sunday. Can you believe it? The poor guy, man. He's probably like, oh, I just used up all my luck on a week where I couldn't win. Yeah, rigged, right? But hey, this is why I put the rules in place, right? Like, you're only allowed to win once per week, right? So you can't win it 2 weeks in a row. Now, you know, if he wins again next week, it's definitely rigged. No. I couldn't believe that, though. Like, I couldn't believe that he won freaking twice in a row. Yeah, he needs to buy a lottery ticket. Yeah, for sure. And I thought today is Sunday. We are in different times. Oh, yeah, yeah. Because yours, it's like a day ahead, right? You're about like 15 hours ahead. Yeah. Somebody else that I don't really know, well, I don't know well, won it. So Vanch Mathpal, he won it. Vanch. Good idea to short overextended. I wouldn't be shorting it, to be honest. I mean, the risk to reward is pretty high, but it's just we're pretty bullish, right? We're above the VWAP. We're playing around with IB high. It might be a reversal time. I mean, I don't want to push you away from your trade idea, but just personally, I wouldn't be looking to short it here, just because we're above the VWAP. Now, if we end up breaking down below the VWAP, yeah, definitely short. But that's just my, I typically try not to short it when we're above the VWAP, and try not to long it if we're below the VWAP. Yeah, there is some potential for some nice upside still. This is some consolidation here. Did we invert this guy? Actually, let's take a look at this. Yeah, we did invert this fair value gap from before. This is a 1 hour inverted fair value gap now. We might see a pullback just below the which we kind of already had it. So this could actually be, a bullish sign. We've kind of been tapping into the top of this guy, but maybe we're going to get a retest of the VWAP. We might even play a little bit below the VWAP and then make the move higher, but just be careful if you're going to short it. Keep your stop tight. Like if you start breaking out to a new high, you definitely want to get out of that, right? So but we will have a decent pullback today, you believe? Yeah, there's a good chance for sure, right? especially once this 30,000 gets, you know, a strong closure. And then just keep an eye on the VWAP here. If we end up finding support either above or below the VWAP, because we do have the 950s right below it, so we might end up pulling down to the 950s, playing around in this area for a bit, and then going higher. Maybe. I won't be surprised if NQ retests the VWAP again. Yeah, like typically we are going to at some point, right? So yeah, short-term short might end up working out, right? But overall, your odds are probably better to just stick with longs. But you're up at plus 11 now. Nice, Lone Wolf. And that was on NQ again. What is silver doing right now? I'm curious. Oh yeah, silver's pretty choppy, hey? Silver's pretty choppy.
Top again. Top 40 brand says 31K. Risk management every day. 2 NQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. All my one's too short to trend. That fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent.
Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? No FOMO. Only YOLO. No FOMO. Only YOLO. JOMO. Joy of missing out. The market doesn't care. What you worry about? Chris says, better miss a good trade. Then enter a bad one.
Better miss a good trade.
Then enter a bad one.
One piece of wood.
Burning forever.
One piece of wood.
Burning forever.
Yo, Tim got wood.
Burning 40 years.
Nobody knows why. Break 500, 100, just going up. Break 500, 100, just going up. Top 40 added one more. One more.
Silver's too choppy, totally, yeah. So we're still playing around in this level here. But looking like we're... I hope I didn't talk Trina out of the short there. And it goes. Okay, you're in that short. Good. Go. Let's see it go down to the view up here for Trina. Trina wants to make some short money here. Elevator down.
Late night futures.
About the top again.
See you tomorrow.
Let's go. You're on it? Nice. You're chilling here like a... You just say that, Angia? Like a BITCH? Jeez. Why do you say it like that? Usually people say I'm chilling like a villain. There you go. VWAP touched. Nice. You were long, made 35, which brought me to green. Nice. Oh, wow. Here you go, Trina. Good job on that short. Oh, my God. Right through the VWAP there. Good short, Dram and SOXL looking rollover and topish. Really? What is Dram and SOXL? Czar. Excuse my ignorance. What VWAP do you have? Mine is at 29,911. Mine's at 29,966. Mine's anchored to the New York VWAP. So chips and stuff, Dave? Yeah? Is that what SOXL and so mine's an anchored VWAP, Trina. I anchor it to the 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. What's your target, Trina? Are you holding for a little longer? Are you taking some profits at the VWAP, or? Oh, I guess you have a different VWAP, so you're looking for maybe 911 area. Dram and SOXL both levered ETF on semiconductors, and RAM NQ has been showing strong correlation recently with these pairs. Oh, interesting. That's so cool. You have a runner targeting 915. Nice. Nice trade. Looking like you might be getting the momentum here for that. Looks like we do have more contracts below at 37 and 25. Hopefully you didn't chicken out. Hey, Kyle, good morning.
Mustang trader.
I really need to will myself to wake up for Asia. That session has been killing it compared to London. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit early though for you, right?
While the weak hands panic,
We let the winners ride.
NG posting schedules every night. Mustang 3 market day for first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spoof, then comes right back to me. Effing trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background, maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile, NQ keeps climbing higher.
While we're running,
Nobody knows.
while we're running,
Nobody knows.
while we're running.
Nobody knows.
Back to the VWAP here. Oh, it's about 2 or 3 a.m. Wow. That's pretty tough time to be getting up. You're out, don't want to give it back. Nice. Hey, smart trade. Better to lock in the greens, right? Beautiful trade there, Trina. Good job.
In chat,
Greg says, can I click 5 times? Everybody laughing while the market climbs. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again.
Don't pull back here. Don't pull back. Need to hold the view up here. I took it long on the low there. Ugh. Come on. Don't do it. All right, I'm out. I'm out.
can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again?
You're climbing out of a hole I made last night from degen trading? Oh, damn. You bet it's going to hit your TP now? Well, don't think like that. Just be content with, you know, the money that you took, right? So you still made profit, which is the most important part, but so I put in, I'm up 415 now in this top one futures eval. I bought 2 of those BOGO evals, 2 100K evals. And we're bouncing a bit more. I wouldn't be surprised if we find the momentum off the VWAP, but not financial advice. This is looking pretty bearish at the moment, so if you're going to long it on the VWAP area, make sure you do what I did there and like put your stop in profit once it gets in there relatively quickly. Oh, there we go. Nice little pop. Is this going to now be resistance though, this little area? Because this had been support for quite a while. So this could actually turn into resistance here now. But this is part of the reason I wanted to take this long also is because we're in this inverted fair value gap, which was previously a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So hard for me to be, you know, short biased with this in the way. We got the VWAP, we got this inverted fair value gap, and, you know, yeah.
Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures.
Discord open,
Charts blowing.
gonna take a quick look at my my TradeZella here. Update my accounts. Pretty decently green on the day. Now that Nick's gone, I should switch over the layout. I like this layout. What do you guys think? I think it's like makes it a little bit more clear for what we're looking at on the day. The fire in Chelan I was talking about is now over 20,000 acres and over 100 structures destroyed, mostly homes. Oh, that's so sad. I'm sorry to hear that. I know that we make in Canada we make water bombers. I don't know if they have some of those down there, but should call the president and tell him to order a bunch of water bombers from Canada. It could be helpful just to put out these fires. I hate hearing that kind of news. It's so devastating for people. So I got 10 trades today, 80% win rate, up $701. So they are on the okay, they're working on the fire. Gotcha. We're looking bullish. See, this is what I was talking about, Trina. Like, yeah, we can be bearish for some time. I mean, this could still turn into a bearish move, but right now it's starting to look pretty bullish to me. You got out 3 longs, holding last till 54. Nice trade, Angia. 54 is okay, sort of at these wicks up here. Nice trade, nice trade. 4 planes and 2 helis. Wow, that's crazy. It's hard when the fire just gets going, though. Hey, is it pretty windy too, Lone Wolf, in that area? Is it like the fire's getting blown around or what? Because that can be really nasty, right? Look how bullish this thing is, guys. Holy crap. Push it, NQ. You're out. Goodbye, NQ. Nice job. Good trade. Good trade. Oh, you flipped long? Nice, Trina. 90 points. Not a bad day. Yeah, beautiful job, Angia. That's why I'm waiting for that VWAP. You know, I know like there was a good opportunity to get in your short there, Trina, which great trade. But that's why I usually just stay flat and then wait for the VWAP for the long. So long from 30,003. Are we gonna make new highs? I mean, at this point, your guess is as good as mine, but probably not financial advice. But just, you know, just lock in some profit with your stop and just let it run and see if you get up there. I mean, we might get a rejection on the IB high with a deeper pullback, right? Possibly. But that would be a normal move if we're gonna, you know, push above the 30,050 level. Yeah, Angia, that's why I made these shirts, right? VWAP is king. VWAP is king. Market Butcher, slice, cut through the noise.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
But we're still
You want the mug? Nice. What do you think on the price on that? Is it too expensive? It's $19.99. Oh, look at that. There you go, Trina. Good job there. We're going. That's it's at marketbutchertrades.com. I was lucky enough to get the website. And it's pretty interesting because it shows up on Google searches right away, which is interesting because normally in the past when if I bought a domain name for the pickleball center and I try to like I type the full name and everything and it won't even show up on the search, but for some reason this one like pops up right away, which is pretty awesome. So I think it's because it's pretty rare that that we get those. So yeah, well, I'm still trying to get some feedback. You know, I just went with sort of the suggested price by Shopify, or it's called Printify, which is an app through Shopify. So I don't really know how to price these things, but I figured, $20 is reasonable. I think I would make like $5 or $6 on that cup. So it's not super cheap for me to like get them made, right? But no way. And yeah, I literally just like went with their suggested price. So we can do a giveaway for free shipping. Yeah, that's part of it too. Is the shipping, I'm sure, costs quite a bit, right? It's a little scary. But I did order a set for myself. I ordered a sweater, a shirt, a cup. Did I order the hat too? And a hat. I didn't get a mouse pad because I already have a good mouse pad right now, so I don't really need one. But yeah. Yeah, but I was thinking that I could do like make a discount code, like put a discount on some products and like do a giveaway like that. I don't know. I probably have to just order a bunch. We'll see how it goes. If I end up getting some sales on there, eventually I'll probably order in some more and then just do a giveaway and then just ship it myself to whoever wins it. But I don't really know how to do that necessarily just yet. I got a lot of work to do on this website. I'm gonna build it out a lot more than what I'm at so far. I just wanted to get some products launched, and so I could start, putting it out on the YouTube. Yeah, it'll probably be the same price though, Chris, for the BC candle. I think you can do Visa or like a credit card or PayPal, but good question actually. Let me see. Again, I'm so new to this, I don't even really know. Let me just check real quick here. It can't deliver to Hong Kong? Oh, you know what? I think I might have to do... There might be something I need to do about that, because I did see something at one point about international shipping. Maybe I'll have to order one and send it to you myself. that might be the way that I have to do it. Let me take a look at this. Where was that shipping? So this is under Printify. Oh yeah, it's under the Printify. Nice pump there on the on NQ. Now we're back above IB high. Let's hope that they don't play around here. Now that we kind of like had a strong candle closure up in the 60s, I feel like this might just be the little pullback before we end up going higher. Not financial advice, but because, you know, at this point anything could happen. We might just chop in this range for an extended period of time now, but that this does look promising that we're going to continue higher here at some point. So first product, connect your Shopify store. I mean, I already did. Oh, it's not easy to pay with Apply PayPal. Yeah, because you're in Hong Kong. It's it makes sense. I wonder if tariffs are... No, it's printed in the US. So that's a good thing as a distributor. There's some in Canada and some in the US. So I think that they just get like when you order it, it would be printed and sent to you from the US. So I don't think that there would be a tariff, but hopefully not. This is getting complicated, guys. That says Printify can ship to Hong Kong. In fact, Hong Kong is included among the vast majority of destinations that Printify providers serve. The country's regions and Printify does not ship to are limited and currently include they don't ship to North Korea, Russia, Belarus, Iran, Syria, Cuba, Ukraine. Customers in Hong Kong and order. Shipping cost depends on the product. International delivery. I might have to just do something to make sure that that the Hong Kong, that I have it like activated, I guess, for Hong Kong. So how the customer buys a hoodie, Shopify collects the money, Printify immediately charges you your saved payment method, Shopify later deposits the money, and okay. Let's see here. Shipping cost depends on International delivery takes 10 to 30 days. Since you expect most of your customers to be in US, but also have viewers around the world, it's perfectly reasonable to allow international shipping. So I can activate it. So enable Shopify markets. Go into settings, markets, and international. Okay. Markets. Okay, there we go. Markets. Okay, so yeah, so I have oh, there we go. Save. Why didn't that save? It says create European Union market and create UK market, but I don't see. Where can I find for like Hong Kong? Australia, Belgium, Bulgaria, Hungary, Ireland. Another fire started. A car slid off the side of the road and rolled down the hill, caught on fire. All people were killed. And now, oh my God, that's some crazy bad news. Yeah, I did. I did take another scalp. I locked in. Well, I took a couple scalps. I put $100 in my Take Profit Trader account. And then I also took a long, I'm up 415 in one of my top one futures evaluations. Yes. Australia and New Zealand market. Let's see, what do we have in there? Should probably add that too. Why not just add them all, right? Look at this push here, guys. This is what I was talking about. We're looking bullish here. We had a strong closure. Pull back to the value area high and the IB high into this bullish fair value gap. Boom, heading higher here up to the 70s. Wow. What other markets are there? Asia? No markets found. Just be careful up here because we often get like, 15 to 30 point pullbacks after we dip into some of these orders. So, this 80 might go pull back to like 70 or 75 or 60. You added pics in Discord? Oh my god. I'm scared to see. Oh, that's cool. The air bombers, water bombers. Where are you getting these pictures from? Nikai, a tradable pair from Asia, but it's a bit thin. Gotcha. Okay, you got it on Facebook. Gotcha. Yeah, Angie, it looks like I think I just made it for Hong Kong also. It says customers using Shopify payments or credit and debit cards, accelerated checkouts like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay, local payment methods, band contact, ideal, and Pizui, and then cryptocurrency. Oh, interesting. Save this. So I did add a Hong Kong market. I don't know. You blew a couple accounts trading NKD this past week. Oh my god, really? I don't even know what you guys are trading, these NKD accounts. Or did it add it? Yeah, we got Hong Kong active market. So I added a bunch of so I got Australia, New Zealand, European Union, Hong Kong, United Kingdom, and United States active markets. You're out? Okay, Chris, take care. You passed an eval in 2 days and then blew the funded in 5 minutes because I didn't want to close. Oh, yeah, I know. That sucks. I've been there. I've done that before too, where it's like... but then you got to think like you probably sized a little bit too big also, right? So just keep that in mind. Just maybe try to like keep your size down. I don't understand why it's asking me to connect to Shopify when I already have my Shopify.
Risk management every day. 2 NQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Omar one's too short to tread on that fence. Says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you
You have stores created but not connected. Link an existing one to sales channel or create a new store. Sales channel. Oh.
the market doesn't care. What you worry about? Chris says, better miss a good trade. Better miss a good trade. 1 piece of wood. One piece of wood. Yo, Tim got wood. Nobody knows why. Wait, 500.
Your store needs to have an active Shopify payment account. Hey, Trade Green Candles, how are you doing? I'm doing all right. Pretty green on the day so far. How about you? Oh, okay. It was with Nikai. Gotcha. Green so far? Thanks. Nice. Good to hear. I like your cat with glasses, it looks like, on your image there. It's pretty sweet. I gotta use the bathroom, guys. I'll be back in a minute here. 1 second.
Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures.
Discord open.
Charts blowing. Let's go.
Only YOLO. Only YOLO.
Jomo.
Joy of missing out.
While the weak hands panic.
We let the winners ride.
NG posting schedules every night. Mustang cream market day for first light. Trillo 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spook then comes right back to me. Effing trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile NQ keeps climbing higher.
While we're running,
Nobody knows.
while we're running,
Nobody knows.
while we're running,
Nobody knows.
but we're still on, 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 on. Only YOLO. Only YOLO.
Jomo.
Joy of missing out.
If I miss the move, another setup's coming out. While the world got entries on the 1466 and the trade is on. Big Deflon says that VG's a fake. Them price fills one and everybody breaks. Jane Bond asking where the course is at. Then screaming, hit
The light in chat.
Greg says, can I click 5 times? Everybody laughing while the market climbs. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again. Mustang trader. Late night futures.
Discord open.
Charts blowing. Let's go.
Only YOLO. Only YOLO.
Jomo.
Joy of missing out.
While the weekends panic.
We let the winners ride.
NG posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market day but first light. Trello 19 still watching Orby. Gets a little spook thing, comes right back to me. F and trades asking questions all day. Fish tank.
All right, I'm back. What a pump on NQ. Yeah. Looks like we had a pretty strong pullback there, and then now we're just pumping straight back up. NQ dirty. NQ's dirty. So we're kind of holding this level here from this. What we could do is grab this guy and kind of put it over here now, because this seems like the area that we need to be paying attention to.
Another setup's coming out. Harvey World got entries on the 1466, and the trade is on. Big Deflon says if VG's a fake, then price fills one and everybody breaks. Jane Bond asking where the course is at, then screaming.
Keep the light in check.
Greg says, can I click 5 times? Everybody laughing while the market climbs. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again. Top 40 brand says 31K. Risk management every day. 2 NQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Omaha one's too short, the trend and that fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need excitement, but patience usually pays the rent.
Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Can Trump tweet war is over again? Only YOLO. Only YOLO.
Thanks for streaming today. You're gonna call it. See you tomorrow. Okay. Hey, Cle, how you doing? Hope everyone's having a fabulous Monday. Yeah, it's been a great day so far. How about you? I'm up 700 in my funded accounts, and 415 in one of my top 1 futures evals, and 1650 from yesterday's trading session in one of my top 1 futures evals. So those 2 evals are looking pretty nice. 102,587 in one, and the other one is 101,662. So that one's up 1660. The other one is up 2,528. So pretty decent morning so far. Kind of chopping around a bit in this area here as we're breaking out to the top side. Still got about 26 people watching. We got 14 in YouTube, 14 in my channel, 16 in my channel, 1 in Nick's channel, and about 10 in X watching. You haven't traded today? Had some meetings this morning? Oh, you've been a busy girl this morning? I see. Yeah, we had some pretty decent price action here. I think I took some longs pretty early in this at the opening area, where I locked in some profits. I think I ended up buying the VWAP around this area too, and then on this recent pullback here, bought the VWAP again. So the 30,000 level's been paying pretty well, and then we eventually did break down below the 30,000. I ended up buying sort of at the VWAP here with a 950 low kind of idea. Miss K, what's up? Hey. Cool cat, yeah.
While the weekends panic, we let the winners ride. NGO posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market day for first light. Trello 19 still watching Orb. Gets a little spook thing and comes right back to me. Effing trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile NQ keeps climbing higher. While we're running, nobody knows.
But it is pretty choppy up here, so I don't know. I don't really know that this is the best area to be trading. You could kind of trade the range for now, potentially. I don't think I'm going to be taking any more trades today, guys, but I don't want to make a mistake here late in the trading session. We are getting a little bit later. It's already 30 minutes past where we typically end the stream, so new hourly candle just started, so it's noon in New York. So we should probably throw on our lunchbox VWAP.
in chat.
Don't need the deviation bands on that one though. So I don't know, Clee and Miss K, I don't know, have you guys seen my website yet? I started a website to promote selling a little bit of swag. So it's a Market Butcher Collection 001. VWAP is king, cut through the noise. And here's the products that I got. I got like a t-shirt, sweater, a hat, cup, and a desk pad, like a trading mouse pad. So hopefully, I don't know. This is the first time I've made sort of a website to sort of sell and create a bunch of like ideas for swag. So I don't know if it's going to be good or what in the end, but yeah, that's what I use. So I kind of figured it would be the better one to use. So the design is great and the colors too. Hey, thanks. I spent about a day and a half, so probably between 10 and 12 hours working on the design of the shirts, getting the website up. The Market Butcher plus KT equals gains shirt. Yeah, that sounds like a good one. We'll have to we'll do a special release of that one. No, I am planning to do sort of like a special drop where I'm going to do the boner candle one. I just didn't want that to be like my initial, release. I'm going to do sort of a special release down the road a little bit. So maybe I'll think about adding the MB plus KT equals gains. Settings, payments. Where's settings? Oops.
Market Butcher, Mustang Trader, late night futures,
Discord open.
charts blowing.
Okay, so activate Shopify payments. Anyways, guys, you know what? I'm probably gonna log off here. I do have some things to take care of. Got to get going on the day. I would like to take a nap too. Actually, I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna take care of some stuff, get some things done this morning, and then try to get a nap in. It is Monday, right? Yeah, so we'll be live tomorrow morning again, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So 9:15 a.m. So hopefully you guys are doing well on the day, having a great day, and you know we'll be live again tomorrow morning and then tomorrow evening. So hopefully we'll catch you then. You have a great day also, please. Let's do a little shout out like usual here. Let's do our shout out like usual. Top chats. Looks like we're getting bullish here again. Okay, thanks everybody for tuning in. Chris, Lone Wolf, Angie Azar, The Hawk Flies, Jonathan Stonks again with the super chats. This guy's crazy. FN Trades, Zexy, Skeletor, Wrong Trade Jim, Jerry Trades Futures, Miss K, Lafta, Ryan Entourage, Sai, 143 Cool, Clee Torres, my fave, Trina Banana, Trade Green Candles, Raphael, Cini, my dad, Wayne, Kyle Shees, and 0x Bam. Bam. But yeah, guys, thanks so much. Appreciate you guys being here as usual. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next stream tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure if you're up early, hanging out with Nick ahead of time, and then I'll see you guys at 9:15 a.m. Thank you, everybody. Love you guys. See you around trade. Jim, Angia, Clee, Miss K. Czar. Trade green candles. Thanks, everybody. You have a great day. We're looking bullish again here. We got orders, 220 contracts there at 30,100. That's going to be the next target probably. Looks like they want to get there. Might have to do a pullback. Oh, yeah, just as I'm saying that. Might be getting a pullback here before we end up going higher. Hey, Keith Smith, have a great day. Good luck out there. Stay safe. Keep those stops tight. Don't blow any accounts. And come trade with us live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Love you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next stream. Bye-bye.